1/16/2014, time is 2:34 p.m. We have a very good stock that is called BlackRock Inc. They have about $4 trillion under management, and I can say that BlackRock has done extremely well. BlackRock just beat its earnings, and actually, we broke above the calendar 2013 high slightly here. So I'm going to show a little bit of history where BlackRock was. It's been a great company, I can say. And they are a company where they consistently do well in what they do. And they have $4 trillion under management, and they beat the quarterly profits. But here's the thing, it was a sell this morning, and I'm just going to show it here. This is a daily chart, okay? And yes, we rallied up and then we pulled back in 2014 before the headline came out about their earnings. Now, just remember that BlackRock did better than Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan, okay? And they are a stock that has always provided great opportunity. This was a sell gap. Today's ranges on BlackRock were the following. It opened at 324. The high was 326. That was the high. However, we sold down from 326 to the intraday low that tested these moving averages called the 10 and the 20-day simple moving average at 313.48. It ended up with a closing print of 317.78, well off of those highs. So as we have entered into a new year, and that means that 2013 is bye-bye, and you're in 2014. So one of the things that happened was when BlackRock had closed the previous day, it did the actual trade management is this. Once we had gapped open in pre-market, you need to know the following MMTs. And here is the following. It's very simple. There was 60 lows. You only had 9 highs with a $12.52 range. That's number one. Number two, we were selling short on that gap. Okay? From what? The range. Let's get back to the range. $11 million negative money flow, and we were $60 prior, going back to other previous years where a buy and hold strategy was okay. Because if you take a look at where the lows were, and I mean, hey, they were 240. Well, that's a $60 move from those lows, actually more than that. But nonetheless, that was 2013. BlackRock, we found to be very reliable in buying pullbacks and short selling into the highs. So, the earnings season has started with a sell gap, okay? And that the range is 1252. So, the following will happen. Any move back up toward 326, the last print, 317, we would look at a lower high reversal. Here is the trend line right there. Now, the simple day moving averages are in here. And let us not forget that we are just going to look at the calendar 2014 trade. And it was right here. So this is automatically going to be a support level there where the consolidation and breakdown was. These are the support levels right now. If we draw a half a bar right here, we're going to gauge half of that move as to what resistance is, or does it break above the half bar, or does it trade down below the half bar. Intraday trade, monthly option expiration. They got the call side to pay. BLK is a bull stock in our view for the foreseeable future.